Hi everyone. This week I want to talk a little bit about doing some lockdown scenario planning with Forecast Forge. This is quite a big thing in the UK at the moment because it seems very likely that we will have to have a third lockdown after our second lockdown, which is happening right now, is over. And so being able to plan out different scenarios about when that might be and how long it might last are that's something that's very useful for a lot of people. Okay, so let's talk about the input data first. I've got some daily session data exported from Google Analytics. That looks like this, or at least the later half of it looks like this. I haven't plotted this chart going all the way back. You can see the Christmas seasonality here, and then you have first lockdown here, and some of second lockdown here, although the data was pulled last week, so it's a little out of date already. And then I have enriched that with this column here, which is it's quite simple. It's a 0 during normal days, and then a 1 during lockdown. So you can see first lockdown starting here, no, starting here, and then second lockdown starting up here. So you see the lockdown column needs to extend all the way to the same bit as the dates column. The dates column extends a year into the future from where we ended. And now I'm at the forecast. So enter the dates first. Don't forget how far down we go. 2053. Where the matrix ends, 1688. Add in my regressors, which will be the same length as the dates column, and I'll say UK holidays. So that will churn away and make the forecast in the back end. We'll return the results, see what they look like on the chart, and then we can play around with changing this column to say, okay, well, what would happen if there was a lockdown here, or if the lockdown extended for longer than we might otherwise expect. So there's the prediction there in red. You can see the disruption around our second lockdown through here, and then this is Christmas through here. And then this is forecast for the rest of the year. So I'm just going to change our lockdown predictions to say, okay, well, what if we were locked down for the whole of February? So it's running in the background to update the forecast. One of the advantages of using the custom function that we've used here rather than the sidebar is that it will automatically update when any of the input range is changed. If you use the sidebar, that doesn't happen. You have to manually update the forecast. Let's see what's happened here. Exceeded maximum execution time. Okay, well, I'll just try that again. So here you need to edit the formula, otherwise it won't reload anything. Here I'm specifying the interval width. I'm just keeping that as the default. So it should be the same result as if we had run it without this. There we go, much better. So we can see the impact of our February lockdown here. And that's, you can play around with other things. And I think we pretty much know now that our current lockdown isn't going to be extended, or will be extended in a different way. I don't really know what's going on there, but you could say what's going to happen if we lock down earlier in January, or what's going to happen if the February one goes on longer. So once you've got good data and you've set this column up, it's quite easy to play around with different lockdown scenarios and see how your business might be affected.